If your support and resistance levels only work after the move already happened, you're probably drawing them wrong. Hi, I'm Leo. Let's fix that with a simple method traders use to find real support and resistance levels. Support and resistance work best when the market reacts to the same price areas again and again. Let's build clean levels step by step on the Margex chart. Open Bitcoin and switch to a higher time frame first, like the 4-hour chart. Higher time frames make important levels much easier to see. Now mark the last clear swing high and the last swing low. These are usually the areas where price reacted strongly before. Most beginners draw a single line, but price rarely reacts to one exact number. Real traders mark a zone, so instead of a line, draw a small area around the level where price reacted multiple times. That gives the market some space to move. Dear traders, quick update. We have a promo code for our viewers. You can find it in the description under this video. Use the special link in the description to activate the promo code and get the bonus. Now the trading rule. We do not enter a trade just because price touches support. We wait for confirmation. That confirmation can be a clear rejection candle or a break and retest of the level. For example, a bounce long setup. Price touches the support zone, rejects the level, and then closes back above the zone. That reaction tells us buyers may be stepping in. Here's how to execute this on Margex. If you want to trade the bounce, you can place a limit order near the support zone, but always combine it with a stop loss. Your stop loss should go below the support zone, not inside it. For take profit, the most logical target is the next resistance zone. After opening a position, go to Open Positions, click Stop Loss and take profit. Here's an important rule. If your chart has 10 support and resistance levels, you probably have 0. Strong levels are the ones price respected 2 or 3 times. Quick reminder, this video is educational, not financial advice. Always use a stop loss and manage your position size. If you want more trading strategies explained step by step on the Margex platform, subscribe to the channel.